Tell someone down the river. Betray someone, किसी को धोखा देना. I heard the poor jet landed up in jail. Yeah, his so-called girlfriend sold him down the river and claimed the reward on him. I can't understand that. I thought she was devoted to him. She couldn't have been very devoted to him if she betrayed him and informed the police about his hiding place. That just goes to show you what people will do for money. Leave someone high and dry, abandon someone, किसी को छोड़ देना. Say, Jill, I thought that John was going to help you do the dishes tonight. She did I, but he left me high and dry. Where did he go? Will he got a call from some of his pals at work to go bowling, and he left me alone to do all this work without any help at all.